So two things I want to show you before we actually start working on upper body and soleá, which also helps with the whole idea of being courageous and allowing ourselves to step up and be seen. So one thing I do before I perform is, usually when I'm performing, I've been sitting around a lot, just playing palmas for all the other dancers. And then when it's my turn, it's like, oh my gosh, I got to get up. I got to get ready. I got to get in that zone. And if I have the opportunity to go backstage, then I can do this. If I can't go backstage, then I do this exercise that I'm about to show you as I'm walking out. And what that is, and bear with me if it sounds a little goofy and a little woo-woo, but it works, is that as I'm standing there, I get grounded. I imagine my roots going deep, 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 deep down into the ground, and then I draw up that earth's energy, have it cycle through my body, and then I imagine that all this energy coming out from the top of my head, and then I can just cycle it back down. So I feel all this energy going up and down, and then boom, I'm ready to dance. I'm ready to perform. Another thing I do is I tell all my students is that while you're dancing in front of a mirror, first connect with yourself. And I save this for last. It could have been the first thing, but I save it for last because you kind of see how flamenco works, basically. Like, right, you have the heartbeat of the compás, and then you have the feeling that you want to feel, but then you really want to have that connection. And that connection first comes from looking at yourself in the mirror, making that eye contact with yourself as you begin. So what we're going to do when we start off with the soleá is we're going to start off with that quick rooting energy, eye connection, and then we'll be able to work that upper body. Now, while we're working that upper body, it's still all about that idea of stepping up and being seen, right? Because you can learn all the moves, but if you don't allow yourself to let go, then, it looks very inhibited. So this, soleá is so grounding. It's so essential. It's so, I say it's somber, but it's so profound. That's the word. It's so profound. So for you new beginners, you're going to just work on connecting with the singing, and we're going to work on that upper body. Now, if you're, again, new, you have the hands. They go in and out, and in and out, all right? But if that's a little too much to coordinate, then just focus on that arm position, because the idea is that we're engaging that core, engaging that upper back as well, opening up the chest, and our arms are going to stay rounded as we go through the various arm positions. So we're not going to be moving around with our feet. We're going to just stay firmly planted and really focus on different arm placements and hand movements, okay? So again, if you're a new beginner, maybe just focus on the arms, or maybe just stand there and work your hands. But the idea is that while you're doing this, that you are allowing yourself to, make mistakes, because we're all going to be making mistakes. You allow yourself to make mistakes, and you allow yourself to honor your commitment to yourself, to your own passions, which is flamenco. Ole. All right, so let's do it. Okay, first, eye contact. Ole. And now, being rooted, feeling that energy going down, 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 bringing that energy up, up, and then bring that energy down, circle it around, ole. And get ready, chest open, back engaged, abs in, ole. Okay, here we go. And in, and out. And you're strong here, strong, engaged. And get ready. We're going to open up our arms. Open. Ole. and then back down. 11, 12, and 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So push, 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 push. Again. And up. So really engage. Open up the chest. And down. Okay, we're going to stay down here. One foot in front. Hands. And in. And out. Okay, move the feet. And in. And out. Arms up. Okay, and all the way down. 9, 10, and 12. And we'll go forward. One arm.
Me está pasando lo que a mí me está pasando. Se lo voy a contar la tierra cuando me esté enterrando. Se lo voy a contar la tierra cuando me estén enterrando.
And slowly arm down. Engage, engage, engage. Feel rooted. And together.
Y era mi madre
and push, 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 push.
tan buena. Y era mi madre tan buena.
And we'll bring the arm up, both up towards the side and down, other side.
Y era mi madre tan buena. Yeah, mi madre tan buena, que lo malo ya bueno, ay, contaba de
and down the other side. Okay, feet together.
Que lo malo ya bueno. Ay, contaba de que no supiera.
Left, up. Ole. So again, connect with the eyes. Ground that energy. Bring that energy up. Ole. Chest up. Back engaged. Ole. You got this. Asa. Here we go.
Por no tener quien te quiera. Por no tener quien te quiera.
Back up.
Y tan atenta que me amó. Como el panadero.
Back down. Okay.
Compañera de mi vida, como el panadero, agarró ya la pau, ay me cayó tierra lo oso, con mi mano
together.
Ay me cayó tierra lo
And stay up here. Really bend the wrists.
Con mi mano me
and open. Up. Ole. So I hope you enjoyed that exercise in Soleil with the upper body. Hope you feel grounded from that grounding exercise, and I hope you feel connected and empowered by that staring exercise. But I hear from a lot of people wondering, like, am I too old to start flamenco? Should I have started when I was a wee child? No, because with flamenco, it's a process, it's a journey, and it's a passion project. So who are you to deny your own personal passions, right? And also, if you've been dancing for many, many, many years and you feel you haven't gotten anywhere, you still have the chance to learn those nuances and incorporate them into your own practice. I really want to thank you so much for joining me for these past 3 videos. I really hope you got a lot out of it, and I would love to hear from you once again on what your favorite parts of the videos were, any aha moments you've had, and any other thoughts you'd like to share. So be sure to join me in the Facebook group and let me know, or tag me over on Instagram at Flamenco Rina Orellana. All right, thank you so much. Bye.